Right, done some of it. I ran out. Only got a little bit left. The only reason why I'm using this, two things. That Teletex, not being sponsored by Teletex, but if Teletex want to sponsor me, go ahead. Yeah, only thing I'm not using that is because too expensive. I would have had to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets maybe. But I am using it for the top, or 6, 7, 8, 9 sheets house. Because I'm doing the ceiling. I'm actually doing the ceiling with it. With this text, just because it's going to leave a gap, an air gap. I'm going to leave an inch there, and then when the roof goes on, the ply goes on. But yeah, anyway, the reason why I got using this stuff is 'cause it's free. Yeah, I got loads of it in the garage from work. They didn't want it, chucking it away. I was like, oh, I'm doing a shed. I'll have it. So there we go. Well, I've had it. So I haven't got much to do. That's obviously the window. That's the window. Obviously that's the door. So I've got to put some battens in there. Battens and some battens there. That wall's nearly done. I said I've literally ran out. I've got a little bit there. Yes, I've got to put some. I put some battens in there. It's in the side there, in the cavity there. I had to put some battens, so when I put the ply in, I can screw it to something. I need to do it. I forgot to do. I got to do it in there, and there, and I got to do this bit, and then a little bit in there. I've got to put some vents. I'm gonna put a vent up there, a vent down there, possibly, or maybe there. One at the back. And then, yeah, so it's looking good. I don't know what I'm doing with this bit of timber here. I have to see. But yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. It'll make it a lot warmer. I said it's not cold at the minute anyway. But it won't be long and it'll be starting. Yeah. Cheers then, bye. Right, so all the insulation on the bottom is now complete. So just got to check in the daylight that there's no white bits. Obviously that's a window and a window, and I haven't done the ceiling yet. But that is the horrible stuff done. Got a little bit left there, but I've got loads of it left. But yeah, thank God that's done. But yeah, so next, a vapor barrier, like a polythene, clear polythene with bin bags. I'm guessing it'll be alright. But yeah, horrible stuff this is, but it's all done and dusted. Cheers then. So the roof, the ceiling is insulated and all the side is insulated. Been a couple of weeks since I've insulated it all. It's all taped up. That was leftover silver stuff from the floor. That is 25mm polystyrene. There's a proper name for it, but I can't remember what it's called. It's all vapor barrier. Well, the ceiling's not a vapor barrier just yet, but that side is vapor barriered. That's vapor barriered. Don't make sense. That's all barriered there. that fragile tape is just tape all the way around there, and it's done to about here. So yeah, it's getting there. And then I got to put some timber, like that timber there. That's where the roof's gonna have to, well, I'm gonna fasten to. And I'm literally gonna do another bit now on this side. But yeah, it's getting there. At least it's insulated and weather tight before the winter. And if we go around the back here, I don't know if I've shown you, length of gutter, it's probably full of crap anyway. Probably I might get up on the ladder and have a look. Under here I've had to leave this open, but I've got some of that scaffold netting underneath because the roof needs the airflow to keep constantly going underneath. And then I finish this bit off here, bit of plastic, but yeah, not really. But yeah, that's not too bad actually. So that catches there, and it's running down to there because I don't want any more water. I've already got one water butt, that's enough for us. I might bring it down here, I don't know yet, but it seems to be fine there. But yeah, obviously still got windows to do. That's like 50 quid for a bit of perspex to go in there. Expensive. But yeah, otherwise this is all nearly done. But at least for now in the winter I can crack on with bits in the dry. The only thing I haven't got is electric, but I've got torches now. I've got like a work light you just charge up.